In the 1997 movie Wag the Dog, there's a scene where a soldier is shown on screen with a torn sweater. The rips in his sweater form a Morse code message to the soldier's mum. Now, while that was an act of media manipulating shenaniganery, what if I told you that something similar happened in real life? During the Vietnam War in July 1965, US Navy Commander Jeremiah Denton Jr. was shot down while leading an air attack on a military installation in North Vietnam. He was captured by the North Vietnamese that same day and became a prisoner of war. The following year, in May 1966, as part of a propaganda campaign, the North Vietnamese arranged for Denton to be interviewed for television by a Japanese reporter. What no one in the room noticed at the time, though, was that during the interview, Denton got out a secret message to any viewers who were sharp enough to notice it. Let's take a look at the footage.
How do you are treated in the camp?
I get adequate food and adequate clothing and medical care when I require it.
Did you see the secret message? Well, you might have noticed that Denton was blinking in an odd way during the conversation there. When asked by his captors why he was blinking like that, he said that the bright television lights were bothering him. In reality, though, he was blinking in Morse code. The simple one-word message he spelled out was Torture. Let's watch it again. It's pretty hard to pick up, but when the video was reviewed by US Naval Intelligence, the coded message was recognized, and it was the first confirmation that American POWs were, in fact, being tortured. Despite successfully getting the message out, Denton had no idea if it had been received. He remained a prisoner for many years after the video was made, and was released eventually on the 12th of February 1973.
We are profoundly grateful to our Commander-in-Chief and to our nation for this day. God bless America.
He was a POW for 7 years and 7 months, enduring years of solitary confinement and brutal mistreatment. Denton was promoted to the rank of captain during his captivity, and after he retired from the Navy as a Rear Admiral, he was elected to the US Senate, where he served from 1981 to 1987. In an interview with Investors Business Daily, he reflected on his time as a prisoner of war. He said, "If I had known when I was shot down that I would be there more than 7 years, I would have died of despondency, of despair. But I didn't. It was 1 minute at a time, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 year, and so on." If you look at it like that, anybody can do anything.